Chef Brandon Bailey. My company is Table 30A, so it's a private chef catering business here, exclusively in the 30A area. So my concept is a little bit different than what most other guys do around here, as the majority of my product is sourced from a company that deals with small farms all throughout the southeast, from Texas to Georgia, Florida, Alabama, Mississippi. I get everything from local honey to produce to meats and seafood. And that's kind of what inspires my menus, which are all custom written based on the time of year and the availability of those products. So dinner tonight, we've got 14 folks coming. Actually, no, we just added 2 more guests. So we got 16 folks coming here tonight. This amazing house down here on 38, right on the Gulf. Amazing view out there. So tonight we're going to be serving a roasted beet salad over some baby arugula with some goat cheese, toasted pistachios, and a white balsamic vinaigrette. After the salad, we're going to be serving some bacon wrapped scallops with a garlic chili sauce, some nice U10 scallops coming from New England. And then we have, for the mains, we're gonna do some prime beef tenderloins, filet mignon, and we're gonna be serving that with a mushroom risotto. Dessert this evening is going to be a pound cake with a peach compote.